Hey everyone, super excited to share with you our set of 5 Swedish dishcloths. Temp-tations and Terra at Home has been making your life easier and affordable around the kitchen, and now we're gonna make it the same way also with cleaning. So look at this. I'm gonna actually take one of the cloths and stick it down inside the water just to show you. Look at how this is completely absorbing and drinking in everything that's in here. Look at this. What I love about it is that it literally just drank all of that. Now take a peek right here. A regular standard paper towel that you would go ahead and throw out. Look at this. This is not going to absorb what this absorbed. And that's what we love about it, okay? So take a peek over here. I have some wet ones. I wanna show you all the different things that you can do with it. So I love that I can use it to go ahead and wipe my countertops, my stainless steel appliances. It's streak-free and it's lint-free. I can come over and clean some of my glass pieces, wipe them down. My stainless steel appliances, this is nice and wet, and while it's wet, it actually becomes this great way to go ahead and clean things like your stainless steel appliances, like the coffee that's maybe splattered here on your Keurig. Look how easy I can get into all of those spaces and clean it right up. Over to my sink, my stainless steel on my accents here, my sink that I have here, and then take a peek at the dishwasher. Inevitably, I have dirty fingers all over here. I can go ahead and literally wipe that clean. And the best part, when I want to go ahead and clean it, I put it right in the dishwasher or right in your washing machine to clean it. And you're going to receive 5 of our cloths. Come over here to our stovetop. Again, wiping down some of the grill grates. Maybe you have grease splattered on your backsplash. You can get in there as well. And I love the fact that, again, it's super easy. You can use chemicals, you can use your sprays, and of course you can even use bleach on here. Paper towels that you just wind up throwing away, one use, this one towel, and we're gonna give you 5.